I created an entire ebook in just 24 hours using only my phone. No laptop, no team, no experience. In this video, I will show you how I did it step by step. If you have ever thought creating an ebook is hard or takes weeks, I used to think the same too. But I tested something simple and it worked way faster than I expected. The first thing I did was not writing, it was choosing a topic. Because if nobody wants it, nothing else matters. So I looked for problems people are already talking about. Things beginners struggle with. For example, how to make money online as a beginner, how to sell digital products, how to grow on TikTok or Instagram. I didn't overthink it. I simply picked something people already needed help with. I wrote everything in my ebook using just my phone. The tools I used Google Docs for typing, simple typing, no perfection needed. And I used Canva for cover design. I didn't try to sound fancy, I just focused on being clear. After writing, I turned it into a proper ebook. When you are creating an ebook cover, you must understand that the cover is important because people judge your ebook before they even read it. So you must ensure that you keep it simple, you use bold title, use clean design, and make sure there's no clutter. After that, I uploaded everything on Selar, and these are the steps that I took. I created product page, upload PDF, add title and description, set price, and publish link. And just like that, my ebook was live and ready to sell. Here is where most beginners fail. They spend weeks trying to make it perfect. They overthink instead of just starting. But the truth is, speed matters more than perfection. At the beginning, once the ebook was live, I didn't just sit down. I started posting short videos, talking about the ebook idea, sharing useful tips. That's when people started paying attention. If you can spend a few hours on your phone every day, you can create something valuable enough to sell online. If you want the exact blueprint I used, from choosing the idea to writing and selling on Selar, I put everything inside my ebook. Check the link in the description or my bio. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe. I'll keep sharing simple ways to start making money online.